Yan City. Zamboanga del Sur.
Oh, good luck, Gio. Go.
When you get caught in love, you know that's you can get the one. It's okay. What you say?
Mariah Carey, oh. Ako lang ba? May laban si Marcelito.
I can make it through the rain. I can still talk once again on my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to mend. And every time I feel afraid, I hold tight to my faith, and I live one more day. And
Eksakto, no? Parang Ricanon.
should they tell you, you never put the roots on that stand tall and say, I can make it through the rain. I can stand tall once again. And I know that I'm strong enough to mend. And every time I feel afraid, I hold tighter to my faith. And I live one more day to make it through the rain. No, I can make it through the rain. And stand tall once again. And save one more day. And I'm making it through the
Salamat po.
Ang ganda-ganda ni ate. Ang husay. Gio.
Kalokohan na to. Uwi na ako. Tapos na.
Gio.
Ano po?
Huwag ka mo offend kasi tinanong ko naman to kay Marcelito. Are you straight or are you gay?
Siguro gay pero di showy masyado.
Hindi pa showy yun, ha? Sa pagkanta ng Mariah, hindi pa showy yun.
Alam mo, ang galing-galing mo.
Salamat po, ma.
Oo, sobrang galing mo. Nakakatuwa. Ang linis mong magpalseto, ang linis mong kumanta, ang linis mong mag-shifting, ang linis ng mukha mo. Kasi linis ko. Hindi, ang ganda ng ngiti mo, pa. You have nice teeth.
Salamat.
Oo. Boss,
Gio, ginulat mo talaga kami. Ang galing-galing mo.
malayo ang mararating mo, Gio. Yes na yes.
Salamat.
Ako, nako, mega yes.
Salamat po.
It's a yes from me.
Salamat po, sir.